The wise man looks ahead.
Have you ever played Minecraft and felt your stomach drop? You spend hours building a home, mining, crafting, surviving. Then a creeper shows up. Boom. Just like that, everything's gone. You want to scream, throw your phone, swear off the game forever. But then something strange happens. You respawn, pick up your tools, and start again. It's frustrating, yeah, but also kind of brilliant. Because what if Minecraft isn't just a game? What if it's training you, quietly pixel by pixel, to stay calm when life doesn't go your way? This video isn't about cheats or speedruns. It's about mindset and what Minecraft might be teaching you about patience, loss, and how to deal with chaos. Minecraft doesn't start with a welcome party. It drops you in a random world. You don't pick your starting point. You don't get a map. You don't get a warning. Just you, the terrain, and whatever happens next. Kind of like life, right? You don't choose your family, your body, your circumstances, and yet you're expected to figure it out, to survive, to build something. There's a quiet truth hiding in Minecraft's chaos. You don't control the world, but you do control how you respond to it. And that idea? It's ancient. Philosophers have wrestled with it for centuries. Thousands of years ago, a man named Epictetus said, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." He never played Minecraft, but he might have loved it. Let's talk about preparation. In Minecraft, you learn the hard way what happens when you're not ready. No torches, you die in the dark. No food, you starve. No shelter, you're toast by nightfall. You don't just wander forever. Eventually, you learn to plan. You build before it's too late. In life, it's the same. We don't always know what's coming, but we can get ready. We can train our minds the way we train our tools. Seneca, another ancient thinker, said, "The wise man looks ahead." Minecraft rewards foresight, so does life. But even with preparation, things still fall apart. You can have the best armor, the cleanest base, a chest full of diamonds, and still, boom, creeper, gone. Sound familiar? You can do everything right in life and still lose. Your job, a relationship, your sense of control. Minecraft teaches something powerful. You will fall, often, but you can always get back up. You respawn, you rebuild. You remember what matters. It doesn't mean the loss didn't hurt. It means you didn't let it break you. Here's the real question. What do you build when you know it could all disappear? A lot of people rage quit, or give up, or just stop caring. But some, they keep building anyway. That's strength, not in the code, in you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Minecraft tests your mind just as much as your skill. Can you stay calm when everything falls apart? Can you keep going, even when it feels pointless? If so, you're not just surviving the game, you're mastering yourself. At some point, every Minecraft player realizes, you can't control everything. You can only control yourself, your patience, your attitude, your ability to begin again. And maybe that's what the game has been teaching all along. Not just how to build blocks, but how to build character. You don't control the creeper, you control the response. And that might just be the most powerful thing of all. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more reflections on life, mindset, and the hidden wisdom inside the games we love. Until next time, build with courage, play with heart, and stay grounded.